Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're going to start off with Rich Girls Part 2. So, as you know, my bestie plus my sister, we're doing the roleplay, is that she is at the hospital. Let's get started. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Let's get started. Let's get started, guys. Oh my god. My bestie is at the hospital? I cannot believe this. Yes, I'm here for Rose, please. Yes, she is at, like the third row, maybe. Okay, thank you. Are you okay? Oh my god, are you pregnant? I don't know. Oh, this is, what's gonna happen to you? I don't know what's gonna happen either. Oh, I feel so bad for her. Wait, Yanni, let me just pretend I Okay, did. stop it. Don't talk Just like pretend. Okay, just do whatever you want. Okay, what do you want to do?
Well, you see the doctor right there. She has the note for you to write. So go get the board and write it.
Because maybe you're gonna die.
No, I'm not gonna die. I just feel a little bit weird.
Here, one of the both. There's no. Dear bestie, if you die, I will cry so hard. I will miss you. Dear bestie, Al. Okay, here's the note. I'll give you some peace. What does make her better? Plays Roblox, of course. Let me go get iPad. I got you this, an iPad, so you feel comfortable. Do you like it?
Wait, just give me some.
Okay. I'll maybe go get her some ice cream. Okay, I got my car so I can drive to the ice cream shop. Okay. Well, I hope she feels okay later. I feel bad. Her favorite one is birthday cake. Mine too. Here you go, girlie. Hope you feel better.
Birthday cake.
Oh wait, the doctor wants to talk to me. She feels better now. Now I want you to take her home safely. Okay, I just want you to stay with her for a bit days so her tongue. She's not pregnant or anything like that. No, it's just her stomach is like a little.
No, Yanni, I can't go home yet. I just gotta like sit down and then like you take me home, okay? I just gotta sit down and finish this ice cream, then you take me home.
Okay, ready, girlie?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try to carry you. Let me try to carry you on the shoulders. Okay, are you ready to head home? Okay. Do you want to head to my house? Please, can we head to my house? Okay. Here, you can get in the car, right? Okay.
I'll sit outside. Okay, so I think it's some pressure.
Okay. Ready? Okay. Oh, some people stole your someone stole your car. It says Elsa is the queen. It says Elsa the queen. Look. Come on, get your car. That's literally yours. They're gonna steal my house. 200. Quick. Speed. Okay, stay right there, okay? I gotta go get the house. Oh my god. Someone's gonna steal it. Okay, phew, I got it. What kind of house? Oh, I remember I got this house.
I'm coming, girly.
Okay, you can bring your card too. You're just gonna stay here a couple days, okay? Is that okay? Okay, perfect.
Can you open your garage, please?
Sure, of course. There. I'm just gonna grab my car.
There, I left some space for you.
Okay. Okay. Close the garage and lock the doors. I know. Okay, so I hope you feel nice and comfortable. So I hope you really enjoy Girly. I just got this house. Everything is pink, my favorite color. Just sometimes I pick purple, you know.
Well, I'm gonna go,
What?
well, I got everything, in my car.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get it out for you. You relax at the.
No, I gotta go, changing, to my swimsuit to go to the live spa.
No, you're not going anywhere. The doctor said you have to stay here for a little while.
No, I'm gonna go take a bath.
What?
Why is there a ghost?
There is not a ghost. You're lying. You just think my house is spooky.
I'm serious. I just saw it.
No, you didn't. What? Look. What is that? Okay, I'm sorry I didn't believe you first, but there is a ghost in my house. Do you hear footsteps? I just saw the ghost.
Why they got it with the axe?
Oh, I just accidentally picked the ghost wolf story. She's gone now. I gave her away to another person. Oh my God. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Because I know the ghost isn't here anymore, and you're just like trying to break me out. Oh. Okay, so what do you want to do?
I think I wanted to, like, maybe let's go
Swim?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go change to my swimsuit. Bye.
I'm gonna head to the bathroom up here.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
Okay.
It so many people could keep robbing my house.
Oh my god, girly, I feel so bad for you. Okay. I feel like an adult, you know?
Yeah.
Ew, there's a big ant on my keyboard.
What?
There was just a big ant on my keyboard.
Ew.
Ew.
I just saw it. Bye-bye.
Ew, that's...
Ew, it's on your book. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Kill it. I
be
feel
quiet.
it under my butt.
Okay, guys, sorry about that.
Yeah.
We just saw a very big ant. God.
Matching swimsuits.
Okay, ready?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh.
Wait, we forgot our cars. Do you want to drive your car, or you want to come in my car?
Where are we going? Are we going here?
Oh, yeah, okay.
I want to go here to get some tea.
Yeah, I think... Wait, what about we go in my backyard? I think I have a backyard.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, I do.
And
Come on.
open.
Come on the back.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay, ready? Ole.
Open your pool.
Oh, I have a pool?
Yeah, yeah.
When I have a pool outside?
I want to go in the bigger pool. I hate this pool.
No, but... Oh, really?
Yeah. Molly. Aliana. Just kidding. Just eat him up. Just eat him up.
Okay, there, it's gone. It's gone.
Just see the ant.
Okay, just... Ew. Okay. Wait, is that you? I think I just saw someone in my house. Okay, well, I'm gonna sit in.
Do you have a hot tub?
What?
Do you have a hot tub?
I'm sadly gonna say no.
Oh, I see a hot tub right there. I'm going.
Look, go like this. Let's get tan over here.
Why don't we go in the other?
Oh my god, you're so boring.
Oh, come on, we can chillax on
Or
the
the-
like. We can chillax on the yacht. What the heck, yo? Yo,
Okay, the doctor said you can go to your house now.
I'm not that fine.
Okay, I was joking anyways.
Now, whatever. Were you opening the gate?
Yeah, so we can all get out. Okay, yeah.
See, here's more tan.
Yeah, I'm gonna go like in this pool.
Habibi. I'm gonna go tan. This is my towel.
I'm just gonna lay down.
Put some tanning on. Put some tanning on.
Oh,
And hello, girlie. Are you tanning?
yeah, look at me.
I'm super tanned. Look at me.
You're orange.
That's how tanning screen is supposed to be.
No, it's not. It's supposed to be like mine.
Okay, I'm gonna put on sunscreen. There we go.
Oh my god. Guys, wait for part 3 to happen, right?
Part 3 is
So make sure to
disgusting.
like, subscribe, and it's not gonna be disgusting. So that was pretty awesome. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we're gonna finish this later. Bye.